What is up, you guys? It's Carn. How are you? Please excuse me not looking presentable right now because we're going to be testing something different today. It's a bubble face mask. If you're familiar with the beauty industry, you're gonna know that 3 years ago, masks that bubble up, like they start to foam, were the trend back in 2016. I'm gonna be testing one of those out. It's by Beauty Formulas. This is actually not expensive. I know there's one that comes in a jar, and a lot of the well-known YouTubers have reviewed it, and it costs like, I think 100 and something. I got this for 10 Hong Kong dollars, so I'm not sure if you're gonna call it drugstore. So in US dollars, it's around $1.28. It comes in this sachet and it contains 7 grams. Excuse my hair. So it's very simple. It says here, wash your face and pat dry. I've already done that. I just took a shower, that's why my hair is wet. Then it says to apply a very thin layer around the face, avoiding the eyes and the lip. Use your fingers and leave the mask on for 3 to 5 minutes. That's too short. Anyways, we'll test it out. I'm just gonna pin my hair so it doesn't get in the way. Y'all, my life is collapsing right now. It's been a long week for me. I was actually away from home for 4 days. So how are you? Like that. How's that for a look? I don't know what to expect from this, y'all. It smells like coconut. Oh my gosh, I didn't even tell you. The flavor, not the flavor. It's Milky or something like that. Bubble face mask, deeply nourishing. This is the Milky one. I know there's 3 types. It smells milky and a bit of coconut. I don't know. Okay, let's just try it, y'all. Okay. Is this all? Cause that's not gonna fit my whole face. Oh my gosh. Imagine all the memes that I'm gonna get from this. This looks so sketchy. Y'all, this is looking so sketchy. Whatever, I'm just gonna put it on my face. Apply a thin layer, if that's what it says. And avoid the eye area. I'm not using a spatula. Ooh. I'm not using a spatula because it didn't. Yo, it's already foaming up. This is so sketchy. Let's hurry up. And if y'all want to know what my skin type is, my skin type is actually oily. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm trying my best to be serious, but this is just. Ew, the feeling. There's like ants on my face. Oh my god, ew. I don't know what to say, y'all. Okay. First of all, I haven't even fully applied it and it started foaming up already. How am I gonna put the rest there? Is this a gimmick? I feel like this is just a gimmick. I did say I wasn't expecting anything from this, but this actually is foaming up. Okay, you know what? The more I try to put it on my skin, it's just like coming off. So I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick. Just let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes or until the bubbles start to appear. It feels like I'm just applying cotton balls or clouds on my face. The feeling is quite... Is it tingly? Not really. It doesn't feel like anything. It feels like... I can feel like there's something on my face, that's it. And I can see the bubbles around. It's been 2 minutes since I applied this. Is that my hair? Ew. Yuck. With these type of packaging, with a sachets on, if you open it, it's gonna start to... Sorry, I keep... Ew. Okay, let me just read to you what it says at the back. Beauty Formulas Milky Bubble Mask is a fantastic self-foaming mask, obviously, designed to deeply nourish your skin. Made with milk protein to help replace lost goodness. So now let's just work the product in, circular motions. Yo, I wish I could get up to the mic so you guys could hear that. Wait. Can you hear that or what? Circular motions and... Ew. This is messy. So this is supposed to give me brighter skin, which honestly my skin's been so dead. The smell kind of smells lemony right now. So we're working it in circular motions, working the product into my skin. I'm not sure if I ever mentioned, but my skin type is oily combo. I usually, cause I work in a hotel, so I shave every day. So this area of my face is dry-ish, but then my T-zone is oily. So what is that combination, right? Wait, that basically disappeared. Okay, I think my skin has fully absorbed it. Rinse thoroughly and pat dry. So I'm gonna rinse this real quick and we'll see if there's any result. Oh my god, I just drowned. Okay, so I've just patted my face dry. Wait. Now it's dry. I don't know, I'm not sure. Is it brighter? I just feel like it's clean, that's it. Now I'm just gonna apply some aloe vera gel. I guess it cleaned my face. Use 2 to 3 times per week or as required. I think this is like something that you have to use regularly to see results, but if it's that messy anyway, then I'd rather just stick to my regular cleansing routine. Anyways, I'm still hosting this giveaway that will end in around a week, so if you haven't already entered, then if you found this video to be entertaining or something like that, and just hit subscribe. If you don't, then bye. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.